Emerson Quiet Cool is introducing a new generation of window air conditioners from 5,000 BTU up to 24,000 BTU. The series have both mechanical controls and digital controls. The products are with large LED display, providing cooling, moisture removal, fan-only modes. Use the quick mount window kit that comes with the machine to easily install it. Secure the top rail to the unit, pull out, and attach the side panels. Sit the machine into a window. Tighten the screws and position the sealing foam. Turn the power on. Select Auto Mode or manually select a mode. The fan speed can be adjusted for different cooling needs. The two independent air louvers with 8-way adjustability affords a wider range of comfort. It also comes with a remote control. Use Eco Mode to reduce energy bill, or use Sleeping Mode for a quiet sleeping night. 24-hour timer let you create a cooling schedule. Set it to turn on or off automatically based on your needs. After 500 hours of operation, the unit will remind you to clean the filter. Access the filter from side slide or front panel, depending on the model you purchased. Emerson Quiet Cool provides you with comfort, efficiency, and reliability.